Protection, headed by SF-01 Jose Molinar, Chief Operator, sir. Sir Molinar. Sir Molinar. Ay thumbs up to signal galing sa Bureau of Fire Protection. Maraming salamat po. At gusto rin po namin kumuha ng final confirmation from our friends from the Philippine National Police for our public safety, headed by their Deputy Chief of Police, Ma'am Citadel Guiliman. Ma'am Citadel, okay? Okay, may thumbs up po tayo from our friends from the Philippine National Police. Kami po ay tumawag kay Governor Vilma Santos Recto at natural lang po na singit alala sa lahat po ang mga kababayan natin na nandito po ngayon. Kasama po ang kanyang pag-alala sa ating mga kandidata, sa inyong pamilya at siyempre po sa ating mga bisita at kababayan po dito. Governor Vilma Santos Recto is on top of the situation at siya po ay nakamonitor sa ating lugar ng Batangas 2012. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, mga kababayan, kasama po si Dayan, si Bob at Jervin. Palagpakan po natin ang ating Panginoon. Dahil lahat tayo, lahat ito ay maging maayos at pag-evacuate at pagbalik at ang pagpapatuloy ng ating programa. At higit sila, palagpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Everybody is safe and sound. Palagpakan po natin ang ating mga
Alright, well, we can confirm and said, let's now proceed with the Q&A portion. Let's call on our candidate number 19.
Candidate number 9.
And you got such the beautifulness day you really have. Here's your question. A very brief thank you so much. Great under pressure. Okay, so your question now. What is your dominant ear? Okay, what is your dominant ear, and how can you overcome it? Your dominant ear.
My dominant fear is with the lack of love of my family. Because my family plays a very important role in my life as in this competition I'm in right now. Because they are the ones who brought me in this world, and I cannot be right now without them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9.
We'll proceed with the next semi-final candidate number 13. And you got Renan Salula. Here's the way you can have You got Miss Elaine K. Moore.
Digital tanan yan, digital. Tapi pawatan yan mal ko nagko karani-rani. Sayang. Kalau dia lihat itu kan digital. Ini kan sudah dua. Radio Malim.
Can you please repeat the question?
believe that the popular belief that a man is ruled by his heart, by his head, and a woman by her heart is a lie. Yes, I believe that a man is ruled by his heart, by his hand, and a woman is ruled by her heart. A woman? A woman? Always have love and compassion. When a woman is compensated with love and compassion, there will be peace and sensitivity in our world. Thank you. Next on candidate number 1.
Pero yung kanina yung nauna, di ko pabuma sila yung kanina yung nauna, yung nauna. Oo, yun ang pinakamagandang sagot. Yun ba yung na, nirepeat lang? Pero yun ang
The white
pinakamagandang
one
sagot.
only. The white one
And my back judge, Mr. Broadway Avenue.
Wow, ganda niya.
Okay? If you have a foreign friend, where will you bring him to showcase the beauty of the Sangha and why?
I hope everybody is safe. Well, if I have a foreigner friend, I will bring him to, of course, my very own municipality, the municipality of San Pascual, because I live both our people. Yes, we have different facilities. We have rich culture and of course, we are made for our history because we believe that a person who are once eligible and believe are not eligible with their history are doomed to be unaware of their personality. Of course, we have rich people in our municipality. We are very much willing to go an extra mile, even with difficulties, to support them and all
Candidate for the question.
Wala pa naman sinabi sa'yo na look
We would like to,
Dapat,
we would like
siyempre,
to
basta,
say
wala
that
pa
we cannot turn on the light
pinagmamalakas
on stage anymore, and we cannot turn on
Dami naman tourist din sa
the
Batangas.
platform here on stage. We can only turn on basic sound system. So please, bear with us. At bago po namin tawagan ang susunod na kandidata, nais po rin namin kumuha ng full signal mula sa City Government of Palawan, headed by their Secretary Administrator, Mr. Jocelyn Lancer. Everything is okay. Palakpakan po natin Mayor Sonia Torres Aquino. Yes. Okay po. Thumbs up. Is everything okay? Palakpakan po tayo ulit. Palakpakan po natin. Alright, yeah.
Let's call on the next one by Ms. Embryon, candidate number 11.
Ang pepe ka sa Duterte na nakagya, gupin na iniyutuan niya, nag-iusan konsuan. Dapat na siya kung sabi ko, maganda sana yung kapagod ka sunang, San Pascual lang ang pinromos niya. Dapat buong Batangas lang ang promos niya.
Good evening. The question to you is, how do you celebrate Christmas and how can you make this coming Christmas unique from the past years?
Well, celebrating Christmas for me is extending my helping hand to those poor people, helping those needy people, influencing, inspiring, and persuading other people to become responsive and helpful to the needy as I perform my obligation as an ambassador to this. I can make this Christmas for me by celebrating it together with my family because my family is always with me and I do believe that no one in this world will help me in times of hardship rather than my family and also to them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11.
And for our first match, we'll end this with an interview portion with candidate number 19.
Number 19. Winner of this fight.
All right. Hi, take our road, please, for your judge.
And you got Mr. Roland Labura.
Good evening.
Laburay, buwan pag-iso.
Your question is, how do you comfort your friend?
For me to comfort a friend who's broken-hearted, I would share my experiences to him or to her, and I would give him or her pieces of advice that would help her overcome the hurtful feelings that he or she is feeling, and I would encourage her to become happy because being broken-hearted, time will help her feel the pain. That's it.
Thank you very much, candidate number 19.
Let's give a big round of applause for our first match of semi-finalists. We'll be calling in Bobby and Irvin to do the interview portion with the second batch of candidates.
Gentlemen,
Safe and sound are two Kobo. And we'll see you in a while.
Thank you very much, Diana and Vice Governor Elizabeth. So is everyone happy and safe for tonight? Yes.
diretso na tayo. Let's call candidate number 7, our 6th of our semifinalists. Number 7, please. We'll flip again her vote.
Trying to pick a white rose.
White, red, kahit ang small. Binasa pa talaga yung pangalan. Okay, sige. Discante, binasa na yung pangalan ng judge.
Okay, and your judges, Miss Rita Catherine Gatpunto.
Hi, good evening. Good evening. Ito yung candidate. Your opinion, what are the disadvantages of technology?
Para po sa akin, ito po ay depende sa nagamit ng technology. It depends if it will be in a good way or the bad way. Dahil lahat naman natin ng paggamit ng technology, ngayon sa mga kabataan ay mas nakakatulong. Pero, sa pagdating ng mga panahon, iba o para siya iba ang paggamit ng mga kabataan sa technology dahil sa mga influensya. At para po sa akin, bilang isang kabataan at isang mag-aaral, nagagamit ko ang technology sa aking pang-araw-araw na pag-aaral. Bilangan po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7.
That was Roseanne Sorbaga from Juan Garcia. We call us candidate.
Candidate number 6, our next and Mr. Michael Dinlon.
I consider myself as a giver because, first of all, that is my stand in life. I do believe that we are created by God to give help to one another. Thank you.
Alright.
Candidate number 22. Okay. Also correct our judges.
So she's holding the same,
Yeah. And she will be asked again, of course, by the same as she picked earlier, that is Miss PC Veneracion.
Bigyan natin ng mic, Miss Peachy. Candidate number 22 is Bea Sula from Malaya. It's Miss Peachy.
So, tayong fire starter. Anyway, this is another question. Okay? What is the best gift that you could give to yourself? Ano ang pinaka magandang regalo na pwede mo ibigay sa sarili mo? And why? Bakit?
Well, the best gift that I can give to myself is education. Because I believe that education is the foundation of a good nation. Thank you.
We go to candidate number 20. Right, number 20? 20 is our second to the last finalist. She is Christelle Pomoro from your room, which will suggest your judge. Your judge is Mr. Gogoy Avenue. Wait for your question from our judge. After this, we'll have a intermission number, and then, of course, the last year's winner, Rose. Okay, go ahead, sir.
Looks like this came from Boyo Honda. Imagine the mirror in front of you at this moment. What would you like to tell to that person you see?
Good evening po. Kung gano'n po pala din kayo sa aking harapan, at nakikita ko po ngayon ang sarili ko, nasabihin ko po, ang ganda-ganda mo. Kasi po, lahat po lang sumasali dito sa ganitong beauty pageant, ay meron po mga katangian ng isang magandang babae. At masasabi ko po, ako po ay isang magandang babae. Salamat po.
No questions about that.
No questions about that. Okay.
Until last month.
Then moving on, our last semi-finalist, candidate number 21.
Kevin Lagan from Alaga.
Mukhang nadala din.
So, Kevin, take your note. And then your judge. We're asking you.
Mukhang nadala ng sunog yung papel.
Oh, wala. Okay, so, pick another one. Okay? Wala.
That's the last time of the rose.
Okay. So, walang pangalan dito. So, let's see which judge. Sino ba yung nagtatanong? Sino ba rin? Hindi wala na sino ba rin? So, uwi na. Hindi na sumunod. Hindi ka kasi okay. Okay, so we have Mr. Tissus already asked. Pichi, sino lang din?
I think Mr. Secretary will be asking our last question.
Okay. Sir, ikaw Felix. Right? Ikaw. Sige, habang iisip after this, or, okay, go ahead, sir.
Okay. Aside from being barato, hindi kilala ang mga Batanggenyo, what character of a Batanggenyo makes him exceptional from other people and why?
Para po sa akin, ang katangian po ng Batanggenyo na naging exceptional sa iba ay ang pagiging simplicity. Dahil doon po nagmumula ang foundation ng pagiging kaguluhan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 21. There you have it. Our 10th semi-finalist looking at the public. We're going to go on. That's what I'm saying.
So now we'll take a break, and let's introduce.
Thank you very much, candidates. We now take a rest backstage. Small applause at everyone.
And as we take the rest, introduce our intermission.
We still have them around.
Until then, I'll play to you.
Okay. So can you call out one of our support co-hosts again? Can you please join us here on stage? before we announce our 5 finalists.
Okay, so farewell walk muna tayo ng ating 2011 Mucha ng Batangas. Let's call Miss Mary Rose Mohanes to have her last walk. Farewell walk with us.
Let's give it up for Rose Mohanes, ladies and gentlemen.
Palakpakan mo natin.
Time indeed flies so quickly. The past days have truly been amazing and enjoyable, but I clearly fail to take notice that it has been a year since I have been blessed to wear this beautiful crown and carry the title of Mutya ng Batangas 2011. And as I look back the many steps I took, since I was crowned queen in that beautiful night in Calacar, let me just say, what a journey this has been. It has been a year filled with emotions, learning, friendship, and growth. From meeting and working closely with the provincial government officials to coaching young girls aspiring to be queens like I was this experience has changed my entire perspective on life. I never realized the impact that beauty queens have on people. Now I know that there is no better feeling than making people happy with a simple smile or photo. 365 days or so truly have a way of changing people's priorities, plans, and even pathways. Every day is, after all, a page we turn in the book we all call life. And tonight, as I close another chapter in my own life from this book, I could only express my gratitude to everyone who has seen me through this once-in-a-lifetime of journey. I couldn't have done it without my Heavenly Father. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the strength and guidance, unconditional love and grace, to make it through every day with my heart in the right place. I wouldn't have made it without the continual love and support from my family, my mommy, papa, Danny, salamat po, for being there every single step of the way. Your love and support fueled me with positive energy whenever I needed it most. To my friends, relatives, and supporters, you are my inspiration and I love all of you. And to you, Kester, my bodyguard, my assistant, my photographer, my best friend. I would not be the person I am today without you. Governor Vilma Santos Recto, the Alaes Festival Executive Committee, and the Provincial Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office, led by Ms. Emily Fatigba. Thank you too for putting me on a path that most young women only dream about. To all the many people I have met along the way, you will stay with me forever as I embark on the next part of my journey. My experiences over the past 12 months will soon turn to memories and treasures that I will keep with me for a lifetime. Allow me to share this message to all the young people of Batangas. If I could do it, so can you. Never give up on your dreams and always look ahead. Be patient, positive, and happy. To the next Mutya ng Batangas, take advantage of this grand opportunity and know that this is only the beginning of a promising and burning future. To my dear town of Santo Tomas and Mayor Renato Federico, my deepest thanks for allowing me to represent you. My role and your people will always be present in the new chapter of my life, which will hopefully bring me and the entire province of Batangas to the national and international stage. As I take my final walk as the reigning title holder, I will always be, for all of you, Mary Rose Pujanes, Lucia ng Batangas, 2011. Once again, this Mary Rose Pujanes, the reigning Lucia ng Batangas.
Let's give her again a big round of applause for our Mutiana Batangas 2011 Miss Rose Pujanes. Maraming salamat po.
So now, we're waiting for the judges to give us our top 5. So, i-mention na namin the criteria na ginamit para sa ating top 5. Which is intelligence, 50%, beauty, 30%, and poise and personality, 20%.
And all four are back to zero. So there's a new set of criteria for our 10 semifinalists and another set of criteria for our 5 finalists.
So, bago set yan, ha? So ngayon, 50, 30, 20.
Intelligence, beauty, poise, and personality.
Pagkatapos nito, magiging intelligence, 60% for our final question. Intelligence, 60%. And then beauty, 40%. So napaka-importante ang sagot nila sa ating final question.
And I think the results are
And we have our 5 finalists. So, may call on the stage again, our 10 semifinalists. Wala po natin yung 10 semifinalists.
Semifinalists. Pag-announce na yung top 5, one question para sa ating 5. Of course, yung para hindi na palinig. Ang question na yun, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, yan na sila. So, we have 22, we have 21, hindi na kulang.
Where's your bed?
Waiting for candidate number
31. Oh, go. Here's the one. Okay. 1, 6.
Okay, we have here our 10 semifinalists.
Okay.
In no particular order, you are in the top 5. Congratulations, candidate number 9.
Caitlin Fajardo. Now, if you are candidate number 19, you are in our final. 19.
Your set under 1, candidate number 1.
Your journey continues, candidate number 6.
So guys, along this timing, we are going to grab our new Royal Okay, for our 5 finalists, do we now take your position? Here we request candidates number 1, 13, 6, and 19 to please proceed backstage to the director. May we ask candidate number 9 to stay with us, please. And I'm going to leave the two of you here on the stage to facilitate our final question. Bobby and Diane, I think you're all ready for this one, and I'm going to ask you our final question. And I'll see you guys. Thank you very much, Erwin.
Thank you, Erwin.
Okay, sino na mga flag ng candidate number 9?
Naman ang loob ng wag, pero naman ang
Okay, Silid Fajardo from Lucio. And you want cash, best in cash over here, best in talent and vodka. Ano pili mo kung nakakabigin ng mga awards yung nabawa mo ng gabi? Are you ready for your final question? Okay, I'm going to give away Diane for final question.
Alright, our question is in English, but still, you have the option to answer the question in English or Filipino, whichever you are much more comfortable. Alright, are our other finalists already behind the little area? Okay. Silent audience, please, and this is the final question. Which is a more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman? I repeat, which is a more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman?
Kasi gusto ko sa ating lahat. Nag-believe ko po, ang trabaho na mag-isip natin yan. Sapagkat, maraming po nagagawa ang isang ina na hindi kaya gawin ng isang businesswoman. Yun naman po, maraming salamat.
Okay, very well. So said, thank you. That is our answer.
Next finalist, please.
Let's call candidate number 1.
Call on the next one.
Our second candidate number 1.
Namimili mo.
Oh, 19, okay. So we have 19. Sino yung mga fans ni candidate number 19? Sino sa kaya Tal dito? Tal. Ayun, okay. Miss Tal Tourism, Aina Nicole Bautista. Are you ready for your question?
Alright. I will tell you the question twice, and it's in English, but still you have the option to answer the question in English or Filipino, whichever you are much more comfortable. Alright, silent audience, and this is the final question. Which is a more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman? I repeat, which is a more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman, and why?
For me, the more important job is to become a career woman. Because I studied for me to prove something for the people around me and to use my knowledge and to be more responsible citizen of this nation. That's all. Thank you.
Candidate number 19, or finalist. Aina Nicole Bautista from our second finalist.
Let's call on our third finalist, please.
Okay. So yun yung piliin ko dito ng finalist. I think we went with 9 and 19. I think we have one coming up next, if I'm not mistaken. 6. Then we have 13.
Alright, I just want to like to thank again Sandico Corporation, National Peace Incorporated, Sun Shelter, Development Bank for Philippines, Silvermont, HBI, Infocena, all the teams, show this to shop. Thank you very much. Alright, we have our third finalist.
Right? Darlene May Reyes from San Pascual. She also won Miss Holiday, Miss Service Social and People's Choice Award. And are you ready for your final question?
Yes, sir.
Our final question is in English, but still we have the option to answer the question in English or Filipino. This is the final question. Which is a more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman? I repeat, which is the more important job? Being a housewife or a career woman, and why?
Alright, thank you very much, ma'am. Well, as of today, and I'm still young, 19, my answer is still, of course, a career woman. Because I was raised by my parents, of course, who have exerted the effort for me to be able to finish my studies. Because they believe that education will only be the power, or it is the strong power for you to become more competitive globally. And of course, if I'll be given a chance to become a clean out of life someday, I will do my part. I will love my children, and most of all, my future. I will still be a complete and total responsible individual. Thank you.
Darlene, Mayor, from Central 12. I've got a big answer.
All right. Please, now we want to call on our next finalist, please.
Next finalist is number 6. We're going to take question. You might want to thank the artist sponsor.
Thank you very much. The farm is on pretty Kabayan Beach Sports. Star Solar Corporation, World Farm Airlines, Investor Base, and all technology. Hi.
Annabelle, Lianzares, Santo Tomas. Hello. Our previous Muchan Matagas is from Santo Tomas. You know her personally?
No, but just by joining this pageant, we're very close to each other.
Good luck. Baka sakaling maging 2 in a row para sa Santo Tomas. It depends on your answer to this question.
All right. So this our question is in English, so you can answer in Filipino or English, whichever you are comfortable. Your final question is this. Which is the more important job, being a housewife or a career woman? I repeat, which is the more important job, being a housewife or a career woman, and why?
For me, what's important is being a housewife. Because personally, I am the type of person who was raised by my family, giving importance to strong family ties. And that is how much important for me family is. Thank you.
Annabelle Lianzares. Now we go to our last finalist.
We have